we are going to see here math to be integration. We have completed some very short essays, very short answers. Now we are going to see about an essay. What the technique will be using here, I will be showing you. Just see here is the question. Evaluate integration of 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx. It's the question. So first of all, anytime we have to take something as t. We have to suppose something as t. We are supposing here tan x by 2 as t, because to bring the formula. So what are the formulas we are going to use here? Just will be seen. The first formula we know here is sin 2 theta. In last year trigonometry we have seen sin 2 theta. Sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So is the formula we know. And also is the basic formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula, is the basic formula. And the third formula which we will use in integration is integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx. Dx will be for all, as I said, is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Integration 1 by x minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod. Mod means every time the value will get positive. X minus a by x plus a plus c. C is the constant. So tan x by 2 we have taken as t, and sin x formula we know. So in the place of tan theta we are going to write t. 2t by 1 plus t square we have got here. In the same way, just remind this, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Just keep this formula in the mind. So just copy down this formula, very much important formula of this problem. Just I am giving some seconds for you. Okay, shall we start the essay? So this is the essay. Integration 1 by 4 plus 4 sin x dx. So integration 1 by 4 plus 5. Sin x value is 2t by 1 plus t square. 2t by 1 plus t square. And dx value, as I said, to remember, 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now we are taking LCM. 4 into 1 plus t square, 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 to the 10, 10t into, we have got the same, 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled here, and we will get 1 by same 4 into 1 plus t square plus t square. Just we are writing 2 dt here, 2 dt we get, and multiply 4 plus t square, 4 plus 4t square plus 10t. Up to here I think it's all and okay for you. Now take the common in the denominator. 4, 4, 10. 4, 4, 10. So 4, 4 is okay, but 10 is there. So we will take 4 as a common number. We have taken 4. Here it will be 1. Here 4 it go means it will be t square. And here 2 will go, again 2 will go means 5 by 2. Into 2 will do 2 to get cancelled. Again once I am saying 10 is there, 2 we can take common. 2 if we will take common, we will get 5. Again we are taking 2 common means by 2 we are keeping here. 5 by 2 t. Okay. Now making this denominator, what we got? 1 by 2 we have written outside of integration because it is constant value. 1 by 2 integration of dt by t square plus 5 by 2 plus 1. First t square, second 5 by 2 t plus 1. Now making this denominator in this formula type. See here, formula is 1 by x square minus a square dx. X square minus a square means something number square, something number square. Okay, that in that type of formula we have to bring. In order to bring in that type of formula, we are seeing here, see, 1 by 2 dt is the same. This t squared into 2t 5 by 4 plus t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 1. Many members will get doubt here and many mistakes can be occurred here only. So just see here the formula back. Here the formula is there. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We want to bring this formula. We want to bring this formula. So we should make in this way. So t square is there 5 by 2. This is 2ab. 2 into 5 by 4 0. 2 1 the 2 the same 5 by 2 will get here. And adding and subtracting 5 by 4 whole square. 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. Adding and subtracting 5 by 4 whole square. This 2 will get cancelled. It is nothing but 0. If 0 we add or subtract, nothing will happen. So just we are adding this plus 1. Now what it could be? A square 2ab, this a, this the b, 2ab b square. So entire this we can write as a plus b whole square. A plus b square. Okay, minus 5 square is 25 by 16 plus 1. This all the value we have got, just we have to simplify this. Same I have wrote here 25 by 16 plus 1. 25 plus 16 was the 16. 20 minus 25 plus 16 by 16. 25 plus minus and plus. So we have to do minus. 25 minus 16 is 9. Big number have minus value. So minus 9 by 16. This 9 by 16 you can write as 3 by 4 whole square. This is the same. dt by 1 plus 5 by 4 whole square. Hoping that you all are having no doubt till here. Just I am giving 10-15 seconds. Just right here. Okay. So 1 by 2 into, now we are keeping the formula. What is the formula? Just here the formula is integration x square minus a square dx. We have got in that way. 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a log x minus a, x minus 2. What is the value of x? t plus 5 by 4. So 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 is, first only we have 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 into a. A value is 3 by 4. Just see here down. Is the value of x is the value of t, a, sorry. So 1 by 2a into log x minus a, x plus a. X is t plus 5 by 4 minus a, t plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 1 by 3, you see 2 1 the, if you want to cut 2 1 the, 2 2 the, and 2 to get cancelled. So 1 by 3 we are getting. 1 by 3 into log, just we are taking a LCM, 2t, 4 is multiplied 4t plus 5 minus 3 by 4. In the same way 40 plus 5 plus 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 40 plus 5 minus 3, 40 plus 2 will get. The same way 40 plus 5 by 3, 40 plus 8 will get. 1 by 3, 2 we can take here common 2 of what will be here? 2t plus 1 by 2 to get cancelled, 2t plus 4. So 1 by 3 log 2t plus 1 by 2t plus 4. Now just keeping the value of t. What the value of t was there? Tan x by 2 as we suppose. 1 by 3 log 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan x by 2 plus 4. Hoping that you have understood. Thank you.